Do you get the cobwebs down while you're up there? There's a big one there, right there, just to your right. Not eating it, are you? Truffle? Where are you going next? Where are you going next, hey? No, that's a blind. No, you can't walk on that. You can't walk on that. No. Gosh, it's cobwebby, isn't it? Are you trying to tell me to do some housework? Is that what you're... Oh. I know it's a bit dusty up there. Are you going to jump? How did you even get up there? How did you even get up there? Truffle? Oh! Oh! You're not going to jump to... No, surely not. You are too, okay. Now where? Where are you going now? Hey? Not the architrave. There's no purchase. No. Going back. Check for cobwebs, if you wouldn't mind. I should have put little bits of kitchen towel on your feet so you could do a jolly good dusting job. That's a long jump. Where are you going to go? Truffle! You coming down? What the hell are you eating? I may have to stop this video to go and look. What? What are you crunching? What have you found? Oh, another light bulb. Okay. What have you eaten? Oh. 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 Oh, you're just examining that. Oh yes, there's a bulb gone. I see there's a bulb gone in the middle. Thank you for pointing that out. Yep. Cobwebs, I know. Shocking really. Shocking really. Now what you doing? Big shadow. Oh. Oh. Have a little wash. Now what? Where can you go next? Oh. Oh, cobweb, cobweb. Cobweb. Yeah. Oh, cobweb. What, are you eating those? Have you found like a moth or something? Come on. Where are you going now? Oh. Going to run out of battery. Come on, Truffle, that's enough now. Come on down. Truffle, come down. Truffle. Truffle, come on.